called s'mores pops. Everyone loves s'mores. I've been having them since I was a Girl Scout. When I was a little girl, all you do is you take a marshmallow, put it on a stick, dip it in some melted chocolate, and then drip it in graham cracker crust, and there you have a s'mores pop. Super fun for any event, and you can transport them to a barbecue, an outdoor picnic, or even the beach. Have fun. It's simple and quick.